Welcome back to another batch of awesome gadgets I found on Amazon. I'm pumped to share 12 super cool products that'll make your home smarter, cleaner, and way more convenient. From a smart lock with fingerprint scanning to a fancy toilet seat with all the bells and whistles, we've got tech, home, and pet goodies to check out. This video's packed, so grab a snack, jot down your faves, and hit the chapters in the description to jump to any product. Links are in the description and pinned comment. Ready to dive in? If you dig this, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Let's kick it off with a gadget to secure your door. Product 1. Smart Lock with Fingerprint and Bluetooth. First up, the Smart Lock with Fingerprint and Bluetooth. Perfect for a high-tech, secure home. Links are in the description and pinned comment. The box is sleek, screaming security. Let's open it. Inside, we've got the lock, mounting hardware, a manual, and a backup key. It's sturdy, modern-looking. Unlocks with your fingerprint, Bluetooth app, or a code. Let's test it. I install it on a door, register my fingerprint, and it opens in a snap. The app's smooth, and I try the keypad too. Pros: fast, secure, easy to use. Cons: install might need some DIY skills. This lock's a game changer for safety. What do you think? Comment below. Next, a vacuum that cleans itself. Product 2. Robot vacuum with self-emptying base. Now, the robot vacuum with self-emptying base for hassle-free floor cleaning. Links in the description and pinned comment. The box is big, with pics of spotless floors. Inside, we get the vacuum, a self-emptying dock, and a manual. It's sleek, high-tech, maps your home, avoids obstacles, and empties itself. Let's try it. I set it up, and it starts vacuuming, dodging furniture like a pro. It heads to the dock and empties with a whoosh. Pros: smart, hands-free, powerful suction. Cons: dock's bulky. Perfect for busy folks. Like it? Let's upgrade your kitchen sink. Product 3. Touchless kitchen faucet with motion sensor. Here's the touchless kitchen faucet with motion sensor for a cleaner, smarter sink. Links in the description and pinned comment. The packaging's fancy, showing the sensor tech. Inside, we've got the faucet install kit and a manual. It's sleek, modern. Turns on with a hand wave, saving water. Let's test it. I set it up, wave my hand, and water flows perfectly. I adjust the temp with the handle. Pros: hygienic, water-saving, stylish. Cons: install can be tricky. Awesome for any kitchen. What's your take? Let's purify your air next. Product 4. Air Purifier with HEPA and Carbon Filter. The Air Purifier with HEPA and Carbon Filter for fresh, clean air. Links in the description and pinned comment. The box highlights allergy relief. Inside, we get the purifier, filters, and a manual. It's compact, modern, traps dust, allergens, and odors. Let's try it. I plug it in, set it to auto mode, and it adjusts to the air quality. The room feels fresher already. Pros: powerful, quiet, great for allergies. Cons: filters need replacing. Perfect for healthier air. Like it? Comment. Let's cool off with a smart fan. Product 5. Smart ceiling fan with Alexa built-in. Now, the smart ceiling fan with Alexa built-in for a breezy, high-tech home. Links in the description and pinned comment. The box shows a stylish fan. Inside, we get the fan blades, a remote, and a manual. It's elegant, packed with tech. Controlled by Alexa, app, or remote. Let's test it. I set it up, say Alexa, turn on the fan. And it spins smoothly. I tweak speeds via the app. Pros: smart, quiet, looks great. Cons: install takes effort. awesome for any room. What do you think? Let's feed your pets smarter. Product 6. Automatic Pet Feeder with Camera. The automatic pet feeder with camera to keep your pets fed and happy. Links in the description and pinned comment. The box highlights the camera feature. Inside, we get the feeder, a power adapter, and a manual. It's cute, sturdy, schedules meals, and lets you watch via an app. Let's try it. I fill it with kibble, set a feeding time, and check the camera. My pet's eating, and I record a voice message. Pros: convenient, fun camera, reliable. Cons: app setup can be finicky. Perfect for pet parents. Like it? Let's light up your kitchen. Product 7. Under Cabinet LED Lighting Kit. Here's the Under Cabinet LED Lighting Kit for a brighter kitchen. Links in the description and pinned comment. The packaging simple, shows lit counters. Inside, we get LED strips, connectors, and a dimmer. They're slim, easy to install, adjustable brightness and color. Let's test it. I stick them under a cabinet, plug in, and dim the lights. Looks amazing. Pros: bright, easy setup, energy saving. Cons: adhesive might weaken. Great for cooking or ambience. What's your take? Let's wash clothes in a small space. Product 8. Portable Washing Machine Compact. The portable washing machine, perfect for apartments or small loads. Links in the description and pinned comment. The box is compact, shows the washer. Inside, we get the machine, a hose, and a manual. It's lightweight, fits in tight spots, handles small loads like delicates or baby clothes. Let's try it. I add water, soap, and a few shirts, then start it. It washes gently and spins well. Pros: portable, easy to store, budget-friendly. Cons: small capacity, awesome for small spaces. Like it? Comment. Let's protect your home from leaks. Product 9. Smart Water Shutoff Valve. Now, the Smart Water Shutoff Valve to prevent costly water damage. Links in the description and pinned comment. The packaging sturdy, highlights smart alerts. Inside, we get the valve, a controller, and a manual. It's solid, easy to install on pipes. Shuts off water if leaks are detected via an app. Let's test it. I set it up, simulate a leak, and my phone gets an alert as the valve closes. Pros: life-saving, smart, reliable. Cons: install needs plumbing know-how. Perfect for peace of mind. What do you think? Let's light up your yard. Product 10. Solar-powered outdoor security lights. The solar-powered outdoor security lights for a bright, eco-friendly yard. Links in the description and pinned comment. The box shows glowing paths. Inside, we get the lights, mounting hardware, and a manual. They're weatherproof, sleek. Charge by day, light up at night with motion sensors. Let's try them. I mount one, wait for dusk, and walk by. It lights up bright. Pros: eco-friendly, easy install, bright. Cons: needs sunlight to charge. Great for safety. Like it? Let's work smarter. Product 11. Electric Standing Desk, height adjustable. Here's the electric standing desk for a comfy, flexible workspace. Links in the description and pinned comment. The box is big, shows the desk in action. Inside, we get the frame, tabletop, and a control panel. It's sturdy, modern, adjusts height with a button. Let's test it. I assemble it, hit the button, and it glides from sitting to standing. So smooth. Pros: ergonomic, quiet, spacious. Cons: assembly takes time. Perfect for home offices. What's your take? One last gadget. Product 12. Smart Toilet Seat with Bidet and Dryer. Finally, the Smart Toilet Seat with Bidet and Dryer for a luxe bathroom experience. Links in the description and pinned comment. The box is fancy, lists all the features. Inside, we get the seat, a remote, and a manual. It's high-tech, comfy, has warm water, heated seat, air dryer, and foot sensors. Let's test it. I install it. Try the bidet. Perfect water temp. The dryer's gentle, and the digital display's clear. Pros: luxurious, hygienic, packed with features. Cons: pricey, needs power outlet. A bathroom upgrade. What do you think? Comment. That's a wrap on our 12 awesome Amazon gadgets. I hope you're hyped about these finds that make your home smarter, cleaner, and comfier. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Links are in the description and pinned comment, so check them out. If you loved this, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more reviews. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.